Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the premium hobby upgrade ticket in Heartopia. So if you've reached level 10 of any hobbies and you want to upgrade again, as you can see, it requires the premium hobby upgrade ticket. Now, um, if you don't see it anywhere, it's because you'll need to be DG member level 50 to get it. So I do suggest if you're done with the level 10s, you move on and focus to other levels. I did, okay, so hold on. I did upgrade these ones first. The cooking and gardening ones are very important to like grind for money and like coins, well, just coins. So do the cooking and gardening first. And then I did fishing, and then bird watching and insect catching isn't very important to me, but if you want to collect some like insects for your vivarium, you can do insect catching first. If you want 5-star photos on your bird watching, upgrade bird watching first. I'm trying to get the camouflage bush so that it's easier for me to take pictures of the birds. But I think bird watching is the least important hobby, I must say. You can also upgrade dog carrying or cat carrying so you can get the automatic feeder so you don't have to like always feed your pets manually, I guess. So yeah, that is pretty much how you are able to get the ticket once you've reached like level 10. I haven't seen level 50 yet because I need to upgrade more stuff, so I can't really slide it to the right. I don't know how long that's gonna take, honestly. That's gonna take such a long time for me. Well, for everyone really, because you only get like a few medals each day, and as you can see, I need like 220 even for level 42. So that is how you can get the ticket once you've reached hobby level 10 of these hobbies. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.